The Ka-52M will be supplied by Russia to foreign customers. Rosoboronexport has started promoting the new version of this attack helicopter to the international market. State-owned arms export and import company Rosoboronexport did not specify a timeframe for the new helicopters to receive export permits, only disclosing that potential customers hope to acquire the Ka-52M in a short period of time. It is expected that the Ka-52M attack helicopter along with other Russian aircraft models will be presented at the HeliRussia 2021 exhibition, and a preliminary agreement is expected to be signed for the delivery of the Ka-52M. The construction of a new version of the Ka-52 Crocodile helicopter became known in 2018, based on experience in combat conditions in Syria, as well as advice from pilots and the technical team. Jutes participate in the battle. Major changes to the Ka-52M include that the OS-52 device developed by NPK-SPP will be a new electro-optical guidance system. The Ka-52 helicopter now uses the GOS-451 type from Yekaterinburg. The OS-52 system is simulated according to the Safran Strix targeting sensor mounted on the European Eurocopter EC-665 Tiger attack helicopter, whose value is significantly higher than that of the GOS-451. In addition, the new generation VO06 resets active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar developed by St. Petersburg-based Saslan will be integrated into the modernized Ka-52M armed helicopter. In air-to-air mode, the resets VO06 radar can detect fighters with a radar reflectance area of 3m2 from a distance of up to 50 km and helicopters flying from a distance of 20 km. The Ka-52's arsenal is coupled with another attack helicopter, the Mi-28 nautical miles, which includes the Hermes A long-range missile, the Vikram guided anti-tank missile, as well as the Izdaliye 305, a cruise missile. Programs for aircraft with a range of up to 100 kilometers. Russia is hopeful that after listing the Ka-52M, they can continue the supply contract to Egypt. The North African country suspended the deal and changed to buy the US AH-64D longbow after finding the version of the Ka-52 Alligator unsuitable because as soon as a small quantity was received,